So this is what I'd like you to learn today about languages, AI, and translation. So I just want to show you the technical part. The work and learning part is what you do with this afterwards. So we're going to start with an AI. It can be Microsoft Copilot, or it can be ChatGPT, or my AI in Snapchat, whatever you want, and give it a prompt like this. I want to write 2 paragraphs in Irish at a high junior cycle standard about my favourite pastimes. My favourite pastime, playing the uilleann pipes, or whatever you want to write about. That's your favourite pastime. So it generates 2 paragraphs in Irish, and I want you to copy those 2 paragraphs. Copy them. You can copy the 2 paragraphs, or you can copy the whole lot. Just the 2 paragraphs we want are these 2 here. So copy them. Copy. Then go to Google Translate. And we want to either detect the language or take Irish, and we want to translate that into English. So paste, and we get Google's translation of that into English. And then all we're doing is we're copying that, and we're going to translate it back into Irish. So I just converted it so that it's English on this side, Irish on that side, and just make sure we have the same thing. So paste in the thing. And now this is what Google says that is in Irish. Okay. So the most important part of this is then putting it into a document so we can review it. And by we, I mean you. So you're going to look at it then and see how this version. So we call this the Copilot AI's 2 paragraphs. And paste what Copilot generated, and then take the Google Translate version. We go back to that, copy that, and paste it. So now we have 2 versions of the text. One is Tá an bhród orm as an uirlis is fearlam. Tá an bhródúil as an uirlis is fearlam. So the work now is identifying the differences. So you can put a circle around the differences maybe. But then trying to understand, well, why are there differences? Do I prefer one version? Do I understand one version better? And are there any grammatical rules that might explain the differences? Is one right and one wrong, or just differences in taste? Okay. So really spend as much time as you can on the second piece, understanding the differences, rather than spending too much time on the technology bit. Okay, thank you very much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the assignment.